All right, 2003 Toyota 4Runner was on the brink of disaster, and the family was going to give her up for no money. And the dumb car salesman said, "What are you doing trading that in? Those are like an old Toyota pickup. They don't die." And so we said, "You can do a couple little things, clean it up." It's kind of sunny out here. So we spent about $950 on paint. That did the headlights. This was all faded. The hood was bad. The bumpers were bad. So now you've got both bumpers painted. One thing we did miss is we could have painted this little fender right here. You couldn't see it when it was really dirty. We painted all the fender flares and all the rocker covers. These are like when somebody hits you. Painted all that. This needed some body work right here, so that was all painted. Got a new clip there, put that back together. Painted the rear bumper, painted the spoiler. So we got 5 new tires because even the spare was no good. So now we have 5 new tires for only $500. Seats were ripped. So instead of reupholstering all the seats, because if you notice, the backs cleaned up really nice. We had the carpets all shampooed. Door panels are good. But this was all ripped up, so they go in and they put like a $40 a yard vinyl instead of leather. And then this was really dirty. They cleaned it up so the color's what it's supposed to be. And then they did the other side of the seat that was ripped up. And even this piece right here was ripped up. So seats came out very nice. There's a little hole in the carpet there. We made them throw the mats out because they looked like death. And so we ordered some new mats from Toyota. They're coming soon. And they'll be here tomorrow. We didn't paint the back tailgate. There's a little scratch here and there. This is all shampooed and cleaned up here. And this mat's coming apart a little bit, but it's not dirt. Put the headrests back. And lastly, you do the steam clean under the hood. So this all looks like new. This is all dirty. Came out super nice. These hood shocks are no good. They're not holding the hood up anymore. We're probably going to order a couple of those tomorrow. But we brought this sucker back to life. It's looking beautiful. Could go another 200,000 miles. So for less than the price of tax and license, my customer is good to go. And they did it because we had just finished another one. This is the one my wife drives. This one has 230,000 miles. Same thing. This one we lifted and put tires and wheels on. So now the love checks are part of Drive an Old Car family.